Hey everybody, Mike here at Find Your Cards. We got a box of 14-15 Ultimate. This is the second one we've done. Last night we had some big hits and hopefully we can do that up again tonight. Plus I'm going to toss in a pack of Fleer Retro as well. Why not add a little extra into the mix? Before we get started, we're going to get the eBay current time going on. eBay current time. It is 22-14-03, so kept you guys waiting, but why not? You guys just saw a big time random. Alright, here we go. I'd like to wish everybody good luck. Fun stuff, nice hits. First up, the bonus pack. The bonus pack. So we're going to start off with getting an auto for the Nashville Predators. We have Mr. Matthew Lischuk for the Preds. Lischuk Preds Autographics. So there we go. We start with the bonus auto. Alright, now for the big box. Let's roll. Good luck all. This stuff's been putting out some huge hits, so let's hope we carry. Jeez. Mike, you were going to bid on who tonight? You thought about bidding on who? Oh, I'm going to have to add more bonus in. So we're going to start with Ultimate All-Stars for the Pittsburgh Penguins. For the Pens. Jersey Ultimate All-Stars, Mario Lemieux. And next up, whoops, gotta keep the surprise here. Oh geez, this is a nasty box again. This product delivers. Alright, so with this card, once I pull it out, we'll have something else after that. We have a complete jersey, Sapphire, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Ron Francis. Complete jersey, Pittsburgh Penguins, Ron Francis. And seeing how we have two from the same team, additional bonus packs. I'm going to do 2 packs this time. We will do them at the end. 2 bonus packs. We're going to toss a pack of Prism, another pack of Retro in. But before that, we got a super nasty hit to finish up. We got a big time one here. I like this one. We have Ultimate Cornerstones for the Detroit Red Wings. Delvecchio, Lindsay, Abel, and Sawchuk. So that box delivered just like the last one. Wicked there. Alright, since we had 2 Penguins, couple more bonus packs, guys. Tossing these bonus packs in. Alright, here we go. Bonus pack time. Let's see. We have, for the Calgary Flames, Otto Lee Stepniak. Flames, Stepniak, Otto. And another pack of Fleer Retro. We have another auto. So there we go. We have an autographics for the San Jose Sharks of James Shepard. So there we go. 3 extra bonus autos going out tonight. So here we go, quick little recap, because that was sweet again. So we have the Ultimate Cornerstones Red Wings. And we have the Double Penguins complete jersey of Ron Francis. And then we have the Ultimate All-Stars, Mr. Mario Lemieux. So 2 boxes down, 2 wicked boxes there, guys. Sweet stuff. Thanks again. It's Mike here at Find Your Cards. Always appreciate you joining me. Good stuff.